Hello, everyone. My name is Zeng Yu, and I'm from China. It's my great pleasure to share some of my findings with you. The title of this paper is Study on the Driving Mechanism of Green Purchasing Behavior, Mediation of Green Purchasing Intention. Okay, and we can see the abstract. And this study used the theory of planned behavior to develop a measurement tool for Chinese e-commerce consumers' green purchase behavior. And this study to investigate the driving mechanism of Chinese e-commerce consumers' green purchase behavior. The results indicated that attitude and perceived behavioral control significantly influence consumer purchasing intention, and while subject norms do not affect green purchasing intention. Furthermore, green purchasing intention mediates the relationship between attitude, perceived behavioral control, and green purchasing behavior. Their presence of positive environment, attitude, and perceived behavior control among consumers may serve to enhance the intention to purchase environmentally friendly products. Okay, now you can see the content. This the research process is described in detail next through 5 sections. First is introduction, the second is literature review, the third is research math, and the fourth is data analysis, and the fifth is result. Okay, the part one is introduction. In recent years, the frequent occurrence of environmental events has underscored the need for ecological protection. Green purchasing behavior promotes resource conservation and environmental protection. In China, e-commerce is significant. This study aims to understand the green purchase behavior of Chinese e-commerce consumers. Okay, the part two is literature review. This study analyzed the theory of planned behavior, which predicts and explains individual actions and behaviors. The TPP has been widely applied in various fields, including green life and sustainability. The TPP in China used to research food, clothing, and house behaviors. Okay, next, the green purchasing behavior is the topic of this study. And the GPP is pro-environmental action that improves the environment by reducing issues from unsustainable production and consumption. And the green purchasing intention is consumer reflects to cognitive process before purchasing and engagement level. Okay, we can see the framework model, and this study focuses on the complaints, attitude, subject norms, and perceived behavioral control, as can be seen from the model. And there are three distinct inference hypotheses and three mediation hypotheses. The one, the A, the attitude has a positive effect on the green purchasing intention. H2 and the SN has a positive influence on green purchasing intention. H3 as PPC positively influence the green purchasing intention. And H4 is the mediation, and the GPI or the green purchase intention mediate the relationship between the IV and the DV. Okay, and the part 3 is methodology. Firstly, this question layer contents will all derived from the well-established skills from journals translated to the Chinese by professionals and placed through online platform. The respondents of the questionnaire were all from the Chinese e-commerce, so the same size have the 219 questionnaires. Okay, and using this sparse and process to uh, conduct the data analysis, and the normality check was conducted using codices and scanners. Reliability was assessed using the AlphaFlow, and the EFA was performed to validate and the reliability, and using the multi-lab regression analysis to assessment the direct effect, and using process to test the mediation effect. So we can see the part 4 is data analysis. Look at the results of the analysis. The normality of the same data was the first test. We can look at this table and see that the codices and the scanners of all variables are up to the standard. The next is reliability test. And as can be seen from the tabular data, the same data passed the reliability test well. The next is validity test. The results of KMO and the bar rate test for the same data were examined. Okay then, and the reconvergent validator results show that all constructs had satisfactory standardized factor loads, and the total variance explained the TVE and the composite reliability CR, and the aware range variance extracted in the AVE, meeting the required thresholds. Okay then, and the discriminant validator results showed that all constructed well distinct from each other, with correlations between the indicated strong discriminant validator. Okay then, is the model of the multiple regression. The multi-regression analysis was used to verify the direct effect. The H1, the attitude, the beta is 0.595, and the p-value is significant, so the H1 is voted. The H2, the SN, the subject norms, the beta is minus 0.036, but the p-value is not significant, so the H2 is not supported. The H3 is PBC, and the beta is 0.251. The p is significant, so the H3 is supported. Okay, this is the direct results. Okay, next. We're using the process to verify the mediating effect of the green purchase intention. The 4A, the path A to GPI to GPB, the effect value is 0.341, and the p-value is significant, and the confidence interval does not contain zero. So the mediating effect is significant, the H4A is supported, and the H4C and the PPC to GPI to GPB, and the effect value is 0.339, and the p-value is significant. The confidence interval is not contains zero, so the H4C is also supported. Okay, and this is the mediation results. Okay, then the part 5 is the results. This study conducted the TBB to elucidate the mechanism of internal indeterminates of consumption on group change intention and behavior. The results of the hypothesis test are presented in table. You can see the hypothesis development. The total is 6 hypotheses, and the 4 hypotheses is supported. The 2 hypotheses is not supported. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and this is the end of this sharing. If you have any questions and suggestions, feel free to leave them in the content sections. Thank you.